Welcome! This special edition is all about the Cosmetics Subcommittee for the TFOS workshop, a lifestyle epidemic, ocular surface disease. This committee will address the impact of cosmetic products and procedures on the ocular surface and adnexa. Please welcome David Sullivan, United States; Alexandre Costa, Brazil; Tracy Dahl, United States; Kristina Grubcheva, Bulgaria; Siem Lazreg, Algeria; Selena McGee, United States; Rashna Murthy, United Kingdom; Purvasha Narang, India; Alison Ng, Canada; Stephen Nistico, Italy; Leslie Odell, United States; Joanne Shen, United States. Thank you. Tune in later for more breaking news.